In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix stick drift or calibrate your joysticks on your ROG Xbox Ally X. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you might find your buttons or even your joysticks might not be working on any of the games you're playing, or they're working but not properly. So all you want to do is open up your command center by pressing the command center button on your console, then open Armory Crate SE. It's going to look something like this once you open it. Then just go over to the left where it says calibration. Go ahead and click on that. Now, wherever you're having issues with, you can calibrate. So let's say it's the right trigger, for example. All I got to do is press right trigger and then press A to start calibration. Now it says keep the ally stationary until the changes. Now it says press the right trigger for 1 second. So I'm going to press the right trigger right now, press and hold, and then you let go. And it says right trigger has been recalibrated. Whenever you do a trigger, I would also recommend doing the left trigger as well, just so that they're both completely matching and one's not off like with the other or anything like that. But then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out our other ROG Xbox Ally X videos on this channel.